Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dad Talks. Today we are going to be talking about the basic features of a very popular fitness tracker smartwatch, which goes for about $20 to $30 depending on the website and the seller that you decide to purchase this watch from. If you guys have seen my other videos on gadget reviews and you guys like the other videos, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel at the end of this video. Alright, so we are going to get started. And today we are going to be talking about the black color of the EX18 smartwatch. So this watch can come in a variety of packages depending on the seller that you choose to get this watch from. This is one of the more customized packages, which comes from the supplier Komi. And, this is actually a bigger package than I've seen from the standard manufacturer package. So it's a little nicer, as you can tell. And it comes with an instruction manual. So everything you need to know about this watch is in the instruction manual. If you would like to get started without reading the instruction manual, that's where the information of this video will come in and will provide you with some of the brief main functions of this watch. So let's get started. Like I said, this watch comes in a variety of colors, and black is one of the more popular colors of this watch. Okay, let's put this on. Now this watch is not too big or small, something standard size. It would fit going outdoors or a hangout. Not too nice, it doesn't feel too premium, but it's something I would wear if I was being active or, just going to hang out informally, okay? The band of this watch is made out of silicone with, some patterns, which is not, just a solid pattern. Some slanted patterns on this watch, which looks a little nicer than just solid. The case is made out of steel, and it's not touchscreen, okay? So you are going to have to get familiar with each of these 4 buttons right here. So to start, these buttons, the instruction manual actually calls these buttons from the upper left hand corner, which is S1, to the lower right hand corner, which is S4, and everything in between is 2 and 3. This watch is also not rechargeable, so it has a more permanent battery, which is a standard lithium battery that's in most of the other watches, and it actually could last you some time. So you do not have to recharge it regularly, and after you're done with the battery, you can just take it out to a watch shop and get it replaced all at once. This watch battery should be able to last you for at least a year, depending on how you use it, okay? So let's turn this watch on. The first things first, you would want to press and hold the S2 button and the S3 button to turn this watch on. Just like that. Now let's get started with the main function of this watch. To get started, you would want to connect Bluetooth to your phone, which you would do by pressing and holding the S1 button right here until you see a Bluetooth indicator flashing at the top left screen of your watch. Now you can actually connect your phone with this watch. The use of that would be to sync your fitness data your fitness data that you will be able to track by pressing the S3 button. Okay? So the S3 button will actually allow you to switch modes. As you can see, you're in steps. You can get into tracking calories mode, and you can switch to tracking distance mode. As you can see here. Okay? And you can download the app to sync up your fitness data by going through your instruction manual right here. And it's somewhere towards the back. But it's a very easy download. Just right here. Which is available for both Android and iPhone, okay? So simply scan this code with the QR code scanner on your phone and you can automatically download this app to fully use the fitness functions of your watch. The other functions available will also be call reminders, right? You also have a remote camera shutter, so you can actually take pictures with this watch if you have a camera on your phone. Okay? So this concludes the basic walkthrough of the EX18 Black smartwatch. Like I said, this smartwatch goes for under $30, depending on the website and seller that you choose to buy it from. But this is a nice smartwatch for the price. You know, for anything else, for this price, I doubt that you will be able to get some of the functions that's available for this watch, but for this watch, it is possible to do it for under $30. It feels like a nice watch, and I do recommend this watch for something simple if you are looking for just, you know, a basic watch to work with your fitness activities. So this concludes my video. I will leave my affiliate links in the video description below. So if you guys do choose to buy it from my links below, which will be on Amazon or eBay, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and we will be back with you with more videos just like this. Thank you.